In this video, we've prepared a selection of the best strategies for the Pocket Option broker, which, in our opinion, will be the most profitable when trading on the platform without using any third-party software. To set up trading with these strategies, the built-in Pocket Option indicators and tools are fully sufficient. So here are the top 5 best strategies for the Pocket Option broker. In 5th place, the Pocket Option. Candlestick engulfing strategy deserves special attention. It is so clear and simple that within just 5-10 minutes of learning the basic principles, you can already start trading binary options. Pocket Option recommends using this particular strategy, candlestick engulfing, to identify trend reversal points. A reversal signal appears when a candle forms on the chart with a body larger than the previous one, and it is directed in the opposite direction. In other words, the next candle must engulf the previous one. However, this pattern alone is not enough to open a trade. You must wait for the following candle, which will confirm the trend direction and show whether the market has actually reversed or not. Trading on Pocket Option within this strategy begins only after the new candle closes in the direction of the engulfing pattern. It is also important to remember that you can start trading with additional funds by using Pocket Option deposit promo codes. And to improve your performance with this strategy, you can use a cancel loss trade $10 promo code. The trading rules for this strategy are as follows. 1. You must wait for a candle to appear on the chart with a larger body, directed in the opposite direction. 2. Then wait for a new candle to form that moves in the same direction as the engulfing one. You open a trade only after this new candle closes, buying an option in that same direction. It is very important to remember that the strength of the signal directly depends on the size of the engulfing candle. In 4th place is one of the most popular Pocket Option strategies, Bollinger Bands and RSI. This strategy has simple rules and can be used for trading binary options with any currency pairs or other assets available on the Pocket Option platform. Bollinger Bands represent a price channel with boundaries within which an asset spends most of its time, breaking through them only during strong impulse movements, which occur in roughly 20% of cases. During a flat market, the price rarely goes beyond these boundaries, so you can trade inside the channel. Bollinger Bands act both as a filter for buying options and as an indicator that shows the trend on the chart. The RSI indicator is a relative strength oscillator that shows the strength of price movement and signals a possible trend change when its values enter the oversold zone below 30 or the overbought zone above 70. To add indicators on the Pocket Option platform, you need to find the icon in the Indicators panel and select the necessary tools after opening it. After adding Bollinger Bands, you must change its parameters, period 20 and deviation 2. For the RSI indicator, you can leave the default settings, period 14. Once the indicators have been added, you can begin trading using the following rule. Call options are purchased when 1. The price is above the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator. 2. The RSI indicator line is below the 30 zone and breaks upward. Put options are purchased when 1. The price is near the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator. 2. The RSI indicator line is above the 70 zone and breaks downward. The expiration time for trading using the Bollinger Bands and RSI strategy is set to 5 candles. In 3rd place is a medium-term strategy based on 3 indicators for Pocket Option. Despite being easy to understand, it remains highly popular among experienced traders. So this medium-term strategy is built on 3 indicators. 1. The SMA moving average. It is used to determine the direction of the current trend. This indicator is displayed on the Pocket Option chart as a broken line. Candles located above it indicate an uptrend, while prices below it signal a downtrend. 2. Bollinger Bands. This indicator is also used to identify the trend and is shown on the chart as 3 lines forming a price channel. It helps determine the entry point at the moment when the price bounces in the opposite direction from the channel's boundaries. The third indicator, the stochastic oscillator, shows overbought and oversold zones and is used to confirm the signal received from the Bollinger Bands. To trade on PocketOption using this strategy, you need to set the first indicator's period to 150, the second to 20 with a deviation of 2, and configure the stochastic with K period 5, D period 3, and smoothing 3. Call options are purchased when the SMA shows an uptrend and the indicator's line is positioned below the price chart, and you can open a trade when the price has bounced off the lower Bollinger Bands line. At the same time, in the stochastic indicator window, the signal line exited the oversold zone and moved above the horizontal 20 level. Put options are opened in the opposite situation. When the SMA indicator's broken line shows a downtrend and runs above the price chart, the stochastic line has left the overbought zone and is below the 80 level, and the price has bounced off the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands channel. It is recommended to trade this medium-term strategy on the H1 timeframe, with a minimum expiration time of 2 hours for each contract. The second place goes to the PocketOption Aroon EMA strategy, which includes two popular and effective indicators, Aroon and moving average. When configured correctly and working together, these indicators generate efficient signals for binary options trading on the PocketOption platform without using the MetaTrader 4 terminal. Aroon is an oscillator consisting of two lines with positive and negative values moving within a range from 0 to 100, and its settings should be left unchanged at the default period of 25. While in the moving average indicator, you must set the period to 30 and switch the moving average type to EMA. The trading rules for the Aroon EMA strategy are very simple, and since Aroon is an oscillator with two types of lines, you need to watch for their crossovers. When the blue line crosses the red line from top to bottom, you should buy a put option, and when it crosses from bottom to top, you should buy a call option. The EMA indicator is even simpler. When the price is above the EMA line, it is a signal to buy call option, and when it is below the line, it is a signal to buy put option, the pocket option. Aroon EMA strategy is designed for the M1 timeframe with an expiration of 5 candles. The first place rightfully goes to the PocketOption Wells MACD strategy, which is extremely simple to use, and thanks to its straightforward trading rules and easy indicator setup, even beginners can start trading binary options with it. The Wells MACD strategy consists of two basic binary options indicators, one of which was created by Wells Wilder, hence the name Wells MACD, and includes the MACD and parabolic SAR, where MACD provides the signals, represented as a histogram based on moving averages that shows the strength and direction of the trend, while parabolic SR works similarly to moving averages but moves with greater acceleration. Both indicators are added with their default settings: MACD with fast period 12, slow period 26, signal period 9, and parabolic SAR with acceleration 0.02 and maximum acceleration 0.2. And after adding the indicators to the PocketOption chart, you can proceed directly to trading. Call options are bought when 1. The MACD crosses the 0 level from bottom to top. 2. The parabolic SAR is below the price. Put options are bought when 1. The MACD crosses the 0 level from top to bottom and the parabolic SAR is above the price. The time frame for this strategy is 5 minutes, and the expiration is also 5 minutes. Don't forget that trading binary options involves risks, so be sure to test this strategy on a demo account and always follow proper money management and risk management rules. Which strategy turned out to be the most profitable for you? Or maybe you've created your own strategy using the indicators available on the PocketOption platform.